G'day guys, today I'm going deep into the technical cueing of the chin-up. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so as you can see, look, there's a two-part movement to the chin-up, like a two-part pull. It's first a slight lift into thoracic extension and getting the lower and mid traps to fire and stabilize and hold the shoulders so that you can pull effectively with the torso up. You notice the sternum's going in an upward direction towards my thumbs. We don't want to be hunching over the bar and the shoulders rolling forward. So full hang position. I've got a slight posterior pelvic tilt on my pelvis, and the glutes are squeezing to help activate and stabilize the lower lat, because you need a nice strong platform off to pull and to activate those muscles. My legs are activated, my toes are pointed. It's a full body movement. You don't want anything floppy anyway. You want to create as much tension in the body as possible so there's no energy leakage. You want to be really, really locked in and tight to the movement. So even the feet are involved in a chin-up, right? We want to point the toes to keep the tension in that area of the body as well. The other thing to remember, guys, is just to slightly lean back, all right? That's going to encourage more lat over arm. If we've got a really vertical torso position on the pull, it's going to, especially with a neutral grip, you're going to get a lot of bicep, a lot of forearm involvement. So a slight lean back is a great way to encourage more lat work. Cheers, guys.